In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, may peace be upon you. This is Saad Farooq Khan and Team Baran Entertainment is presenting you a new show which is called The Book of Light. In this show, we are going to present Quranic translation in a very simple English language. The translation has been done by Abdul Rahim Kidwai. Before we proceed toward the translation of the first chapter, let me give you a brief intro of the Holy Quran. It has been the most widely read book in the world. More than 1 billion Muslims around the world recite its passages 5 times a day in their obligatory prayers. Since its revelation to this day, it has been the book of guidance for billions of people. It has been at the center of Muslims' mind and heart. As it appeared on the center stage in the 17th century Arabia, it transformed its immediate addresses, the notorious lawless Arabs, into pious persons of excellent character and conduct, and pioneers in diverse fields of learning such as medicine, philosophy, geography, mathematics, and natural sciences. It has been preserved in its pristine purity since its revelation between 610 and 633 to this date. Without even a slight variation of a dot in its numerous copies, it is recorded also in the memory of hundreds of thousands of Muslims for whom it is the highest privilege imaginable. It has served for more than 1400 years as the main source book of the Islamic guidance on every aspect of both individual and collective life. All along, it has governed, inspired, and enriched numerous human lives. It stands out as a literary masterpiece par excellence in Arabic. It has set the hallmarks of the Arabic language and literature. Allah says about the Holy Quran in the Holy Quran, and He says, "This is the book in which there is no doubt. In it is the guidance for those who fear God, who believe in the unseen, establish the prayer and spend out of what we have given them, and who believe in that which was sent down to you, O Muhammad, and that which was sent down before you, the books and the prophets, and have certain faith in the hereafter. They are on guidance from their Lord, and it is these who will prosper." Chapter 2, verse 2 to 5. Proceeding toward the first chapter of the Holy Quran, Surah Fatiha. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, Ar-Rahmanir Rahim, Maliki Yawmiddin, Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in, Ihdinas siratul mustaqim, Siratul lazina an'amta alayhim, ghayril maghdubi alayhim waladdallin. In the name of God, most compassionate, most merciful. All praise is for God, who is the Lord of the universe. He is most compassionate, most merciful. He is the master of the day of judgment. O God, we worship only you and we seek help only from you. Guide us to the straight path, the way of those whom you blessed, those who did not draw your wrath upon themselves because of their evil actions, and those who did not lose the way. In the next episode, we will be presenting you the translation of the second chapter of the Holy Quran, which is Surah Baqarah.